big bang budget. There's also SBI that will be delivering earnings. Poonam's here to give us a heads up. Poonam.
Oh yes, in fact, if you look at the State Bank of India results, well, we probably maybe expecting some amount of improvement in terms of asset quality. In fact, if I'm looking at through the various analyst estimates, the slippages are seen at anywhere between 10,000 to 12,000 odd crore during this quarter itself. So there is an expectation that we may see some amount of stable slippages during this quarter. On the profit front, a good amount of uptick in terms of the profits versus last quarter as well, and they did report a loss in the previous quarter. We're expecting a profit of 3,200 odd crore. This would be supported by a 16% growth in terms of the net interest income. Provisions may still remain high during this quarter, but we're also expecting an operating profit growth of 18% on account of better treasury gain and also healthy growth in net interest income. Margins may remain more or less stable on a sequential basis with a slight upward bias because of the MCLR hikes that the bank has really done. Slippages, as I said, would be remaining largely stable. Provisions may still remain high. On the loan growth front, it's seen at 11 to 14%, and deposit growth, which is the key thing also to be watched out for State Bank of India, is likely anywhere between 7 to 9%. In fact, a lot would be washed out from the commentary as well, because they being the largest lender, entire commentary in terms of the NCLT resolution, especially in terms of Essar Steel accounts as well as resolution of power assets, would be fairly important. They do have huge amount of exposure to IL&FS, worse from their SPVs to the extent of 4,000 crore. So watch out for the amount of provisions that they would be doing towards IL&FS SPVs itself, and their outlook on resolution of IL&FS would also be fairly important. Besides it, of course, watch out for the entire commentary in terms of recoveries going ahead. There is an expectation that we may see slight amount of better recoveries during the quarter as well. Update on capital raising. They do plan to raise capital in the next fiscal itself. So update on that and their broad outlook in terms of growth, both deposit and credit growth. If you look at the stock is up nearly around 5% in the past two trading sessions itself. So yes, we are going into SBI results on a fairly optimistic note.
Right, thanks very much, Poonam, for giving us those details on SBI. But